Hello children, how are you? Okay. Today I am going to teach you social studies. All of you open social studies 254 page number. 254 page number. Yes. 254 page number. Lesson number 2. Okay children. Here is the continent and ocean. Continents and ocean. What is the meaning of continents? Continents mean large land masses of earth. Earth. In previous class we have studied about earth now. Okay, it is one of the 8 planets. Okay children, the surrounding around the sun. Okay, here will be continents. Continents means some space, some jaga is there on a earth. On a land is earth, large land masses of earth. Some space on the earth, large space on the earth. For that we are called continents. Okay children. And oceans. Oceans already you know now oceans. Yes, sea. Sea is there na? Some waves will come sea. Ocean. In TV or in Goa. If you went to Goa, there are so many oceans is there na? Okay, this one is the ocean. Now I'll read the lesson. In the previous chapter we learned that the earth resembles a very huge ball. It is so huge that we can see only a very small part of it at a time. So we have to make model of earth to study. In previous class we have studied about earth, but we have to see the earth. It's only some small pieces we can see. Whole earth we can't see at a time. Okay children, for that reason the scientist will make one model. For at a time we have to see one whole earth. For this reason the one model will make. The globe at the map. A model of the earth is called globe. This one is a globe. Model of earth look like a ball na? Here see his shape is ball. Look like a ball, and here is mentioned how earth is look like ball. Here is mentioned the earth. Here, where is that place? This place here. So it is a globe. The model of earth is called globe. The model of earth is called globe. It looks round like the earth. It is round like a earth. It is round like a earth. Even on a globe we can see only half of the earth at a time. We have to rotate it to see the other half. If we see, here is the, if we see only half we see the earth. In the globe we will see half of earth. Another is this one back, we have to rotate. Then we will see this one half. We can draw the two half of the globe on a flat surface. A globe is a surface useful for studying the different parts of earth. However, it is not big enough to show all the places in detail. A very big globe cannot be used as it is not handy. Here we will show the one place in this globe. Here we will show one place. Here is the India is there. This one is Asia and India is here, south of Asia. But we can't see properly parts of the earth here. Properly we can't see. If you see properly, we need big globe. We need big globe. For that reason, we can't carry that big globe now. Anyway, we can't carry, we can't take this. If we take small globe, we can't see properly. Where it is that place, where is this place, where is our India, and where is the Asia, we can't see. If we take big globe, it will This one is a map. And drawing of earth or a part of it map can be big as well as small. It is easy to carry a map as it can be folded. For map we can fold it also. We use big map also and small map also. Whatever how much we want, we take that map. We want big map, we take big chart. Otherwise we want small map, we take small chart. Otherwise we will fold the map also. We carry on by bag also. For that reason, map will be founded. It is easy to carry map. It can fold it. We can hang a big map on a wall. We call this a wall map. We can hang a big map on the wall also. We can hang wall also. We can hang the map. For that map we call wall map. A book of small map is called an atlas. One book also will get. One book also will get all map is there. For that book we call atlas. A map helps us to locate a place. For that we must know the direction. Map what will help us? It helps to locate the place and direction. It helps to locate the place and direction. The top of a map is north, the bottom is south. Here map is there. For the top of the map is north and bottom is south. To your right is east and to your left is west. To right is east and left is west. You will see the direction marked in most maps. Also we see the direction also we mark in some mark is there. See, this one is a wall map. This one is a wall map. Big map is there na wall map. Some direction is marked here. Which place is this? Which place is this? Okay. This one is a wall map and this one is a India map.